Can you see him okay? If you need to move it more or less, look. Do this. That makes it closer or farther. Okay.
That was.
Thank you.
That was.
There you go. Opie present.
Put your fingers in there.
There you go. Good. Tiny piece of paper.
It's great. It's great. Oh, I like it. This is wow. Darian, what is it?
This.
Show me it. Oh, cool.
I got
So cool.
Potato head guy?
a potato head guy.
Keep missing the super cute expressions when he's all excited.
Yeah.
Potato head
I'm getting the cooler
Yeah.
expressions.
Oh yeah, yeah, video game. But I'm trying to get this
Potato head
picture and he
guy.
does super cute things.
Open
Like,
another one.
Pick
It doesn't matter. Whatever.
what you want. It's your presents.
Open them all anyway.
Open it.
Yes.
They're all yours.
This is a great video.
He's such a cute baby.
He is a cute baby. What is it, Derry?
I got what? I got it. This.
Yeah?
And I got Lightning McQueen.
More Lightning McQueen?
Yes.
Okay.
More Lightning
Saving the big ones for last. He's so
McQueen.
cute.
Yeah. Okay.
Awesome Prime!
Wow, this guy's perfect, right, guys?
I got Awesome Prime and Truck. I got Awesome Prime and Truck.
Oh, cool. Can I zoom in it? Yeah. Oh, yeah, I can see it perfectly. Oh, good.
That's
I got Awesome Prime.
Nice. What else did you get?
any more?
And Awesome Prime.
Uh-huh. Open the rest
Okay.
of them.
Open it.
I made that one nice and tight. It's gonna be hard for a little baby.
Thank you.
It's okay. And by the way,
I like how he had to strip down into his underwear before he opened his presents.
that.
Just trying to get him to come in here and he's like, okay. Took all his clothes off. He has to be nice and cool.
Is that for
Yeah, it's for you.
Got a cute style.
All of them are right here is for you, okay, Darian?
me? It's dance.
Yes.
When you see this video, it's so awesome.
What is it, Darian?
It's something.
It's something.
I like how he thinks he's giving an answer, but he's actually being like.
Batman.
You're holding it upside down, Darian. Holding it upside down. Okay.
He thinks he's giving an answer, but if he was like grown
Here,
up,
let me
like
see.
he'd realize he was. Just
Yeah, gangster style. Is it
Come on,
gangster?
I'll come in.
Yeah.
You don't have to keep talking while he's talking. Come on, Boogie.
Okay. Do
Okay,
the next
Dad.
one.
Do you next?
Yeah, do the next one.
Do you next?
Ethan and Carter wrapped that one for you.
Mommy,
Yes.
There, you open it.
Darian, open it.
this?
Here. Put your hand in there. Open it.
Look.
As I told you to sit
It's
down.
in my house.
It's
It's in
good.
my house.
What is it?
It's Spider-Man. I got it.
We're trying to enjoy Darian's birthday and stuff. You want it? Yeah, I see it.
Wow.
Good job.
What's the problem?
Open it.
Darian, you got one more.
You want some what?
Oh. Come on, more.
Go ahead.
Open it, Darian.
We'll talk in a minute. Darian's opening his presents and enjoying himself. Just sit there quietly.
I got
You got something, yeah.
Let me zoom in on this. Oh. Yeah, perfect. Okay.
What is that?
This.
What is it?
It's
What is it, Jerry?
This.
What is he? Who is that?
What is that?
Is that Inquisitor?
A critter.
Uh-huh.
It's a
What's in
buffalo.
it?
Here.
Thank you.
Okay. This. A critter.
Look at this guy. Oh, when you see this, so cool. Oh,
Bear.
bear.
Here.
Wow.
You good?
Oh, yeah.
That's super cool.
Here, let me see. Here, let Curdy see. Thanks.
So what do you think? Pretty good? Pretty good birthday? Hey, it was a good birthday?
Yes.
Good presents?
Yes.